Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my phone. Now, once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your screen, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Once you let go, it shows you this pop-up with scrollable screenshot and share options, and after a moment it will automatically disappear. Now, the scrollable screenshot was grayed out as there is nothing to really scroll down on home screen. But if you have something like a web page and you can scroll down, you could technically utilize that option. Now, once you've captured your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application, and you can quickly navigate to albums and screenshots, and in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time of using this device, which here is the one that I've captured a moment ago. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.